Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Guideframe aka rule of thirds on your SONY ZV-E10 II. First of all, switch on the camera, then open settings by pressing the menu button in the top right corner, then use left D-pad key to navigate to the sidebar, and on the sidebar we want to scroll down to shooting option. Open this tab, then scroll down to the second page until you find marker display. Open marker display options and then scroll down to Guideframe. Enable it, and from now on the marker display will be visible on the layout of our camera. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.